G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Today's date is the 20th of the 7th, 2015, and it's 27 past 9 in the morning. And before I go make a quick video down Surf Beach, I want to catch these birds feeding. No, they're chasing that other bird. Wow, they can fly, I tell you. They can manoeuvre between those bushes really well. No, it looks like the magpie's got this one. I've got some bones there ahead for the magpie, and I've got some bird seed. We've still got the plumbing to be done to finish off all this. But other than that, it's a cold but beautiful day. That's what it looks like down there at the lake at the moment. Looks pretty calm. Oh well. Just hoping to catch a bit more of them. They might settle down the feed. Oh, anyway, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.